This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in North Richmond. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is what is known in the industry as infill construction. And infill construction typically means they have taken an empty lot, and I'll give you an example here, right here behind me. This is an empty lot. There may have been a home there at one point. It may have been torn down. We just don't know. But developers and builders will sometimes buy those lots and then go in with brand new construction in neighborhoods that have obviously been here for quite some time. And the benefit of a property like this is you get the feel, the atmosphere of an established older neighborhood. Often it's a historic neighborhood, yet you have the benefits of new construction. So for many people, you get the best of both worlds, and they really like that option. Here on the exterior, we went with a pretty unusual, unique color choice. I like that navy on the exterior, not the typical choice that we would normally see, but I like different, and I think it really works well. This is just simply a coat closet. They've got some construction items in here, followed by a powder room. Nice and convenient here to the front door. If you are like I am, typically the first thing you do after you hit that front door is make your way to the powder room. All right, this is an open floor plan, and they did a really nice job here. This home, of course, is staged. This, of course, would be our family room area. Nice tall ceilings, crown molding, open to our dining area. And it's very large, as you can see. But my absolute favorite part of this home is this kitchen. This is an amazing kitchen, especially at this price point. We typically don't see 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops. We've got all of our appliances in place. That is a really unique, sleek looking appliance there. They went with the same feel for all of those. Samsung appliances, glass backsplash, that's a mouthful, and just really well done. This island here is absolutely massive. It looks like it's probably about 4.5 feet wide by maybe 6 feet long, and that's just loads and loads of storage space here in these cabinets. Okay, let's pop out back here real quick and see what we've got in the rear. A lot of windows in this home. We also have a fenced rear lot. A nice size, actually oversized deck here in the back. Plenty of space if you want to pop out, get some air, do some entertaining. They have left this backyard here for you. They want to let you do your finishing touches here on this backyard. And you've got a nice space to do so. Here on the rear exterior, of course, our low maintenance vinyl. And we've got a nice little overhang here. So if you do come out the back here, if it's raining, you're not immediately drenched. That's a nice little touch there. All right, let's go on back inside. I really appreciate all the kind words you guys have been sharing with me. It's really good for me to get feedback for anybody on YouTube, actually. They love to hear from people that are fans, watch videos, get something from the efforts that we put in. I recently went to a photography convention, and one of my big YouTube providers, I guess he would be considered he's actually a full-time YouTube producer. I had a chance to meet, and him and his lovely wife, and it was really a treat to see somebody in person that you just kind of get a feel for their personality for over time, and obviously never really meet them in most cases. Okay, this is going to be our secondary bedroom, good sized bedroom here. I love the colors once again. We've got the gray and white. They gave us good sized closets in all of these bedrooms. Did a really nice job here with this hall bath. We do have granite double bowl vanity. Takes up actually the whole wall, so that's a lot of cabinet space, a lot of vanity space there. Here in our bath, they did a nice job with this detail, the tile work. And I wanted to show you here on the floor, this is a really neat little touch they did. They came in with a little accent tile right there along the base of the tub. Okay, we're gonna transition now to our bedroom number 2. This is the most conservative of the bedrooms. Still plenty of space for an office, nursery, or a small child's room. And directly across, we've got our second floor laundry, dedicated laundry room. They even put a sink in. Typically in new construction, that is an upgrade. You've got enough space on this wall. You could do some additional storage, some shelving or some cabinetry if desired. And now we're transitioning into the master. Love the master, nice and bright, plenty of windows. As you can see, we've got double closets, one right there, and of course, one to the left, and our master bath. They carried on that same tradition here in this bathroom with the oversized vanity. Your mirrors, of course, would go right there. They're gonna put those in for you. You've got beautiful little setup here with the throne right next to the window. You can just sit right here and watch and observe, and just a really, really good vantage point. Okay, here in our bath, once again, they did that nice tile work. This is a different color scheme in this bathroom, so I like it when they mix it up a little bit and just don't do copycat for every single room, and that nice little accent there. Each builder or developer has their own little signature touches, and that clearly is one that this builder has. Okay, that's gonna do it for this beautiful new construction. This one's priced right, ladies and gentlemen. I really like the price on this. North side is really, really hot. If you are a fan of modern, of open, of new, this one might be right for you. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you would be so kind. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.